Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert shapes in Google Docs. So first of all, open the Google Chrome or Safari and then open the docs.google.com. Now open up the document in which you want the shapes to be inserted. So I'm going to open up a blank document here just to show you guys. Okay, so once you are here, now what you can do is place the cursor at the point where you want the shape to be inserted. Now once you do that, then you can click on insert at the top, then click on the drawing option, then you can see the first one plus new, click on here, then it will open up the drawing window. Okay, now at the top you can see many options, actions, undo, redo and all that. Now one of the options is shape. Okay, so if you click on shape here, then again inside this shapes option there are so many shapes around here. Okay, then in the arrows you'll find different kind of arrows, callouts option is there, then equation option is there. So we want shapes here. Okay, so once you here, suppose I'm going to choose a pentagon here, and then I can simply press and drag this cursor to create the pentagon here. Okay, so if I right click here, again I will get few options. You can also edit the text, you can also change the shape from here, you can rotate it, you can center on the page horizontally or vertically. Okay, so there are so many options to actually customize it just like this. Okay, now again there are few more options at the top. You can actually go and fill the color, fill a different color inside it just like this. Okay, you can go and change the border color. Suppose I'm going to change it to pink. Okay, something like that. Okay, so you can also customize it. So once you do that, then you can click on save and close, and it will appear just right here. You can also I think drag it here. Okay, you can also simply use the cursor to drag it here, left, right and center. Okay, so this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.